Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to add your TikTok profile to your Instagram account. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be had a TikTok account and you want to share this TikTok account with your Instagram profile, or you would like to add in your Instagram account. So for that, first of all, we're going to open our TikTok account. After click over, open the TikTok account. It might be in your home tab. We need to jump over in the profile section and you're going to see your TikTok profile. Now here, if you decide to copy your TikTok profile link, so what you have to do, you need to click open the profile icon and then you're going to see a pop-up appear. From here we're going to click here copy link. Now you can see I have successfully copied my TikTok profile link. Now I'm going to open my Instagram account, and obviously in the Instagram account same, you have to click the profile icon and it's going to be appear your profile icon. From here, if you decide to add your TikTok account, here you can see currently I have my YouTube channel link in this profile. So if you decide to add instead of YouTube channel any other link and you want to add here your TikTok profile, just you need to click here edit profile and then you're going to see skin appear just like this. From here I'm going to click over the website. I'm going to remove the previous link. If it doesn't have, it will be appear empty. So I previously there was a one link, so I just remove it, and now I'm going to just paste here my TikTok profile link. Now I'm going to click here done, and now you can see just now it's appear in my Instagram, it's appear my TikTok account. So if anybody click over here, they directly take over to my TikTok profile. They can open with the TikTok apps. If they doesn't have, TikTok will give option them to download the TikTok account. So within this way you can easily add your TikTok profile account in your Instagram. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.